Hi there. Today we are going to repair my bike's side cover. It's almost broken. You can see it is badly damaged and this portion is very badly broken up. So let's go and fix this. So this was the portion that was tied with the steel wire. I have tore it up and now we'll go and fix this up. It's a very easy step. You will really like this. And I am doing this at home. This is my first time I'm trying this. I have a new tech. From this we can fill the gaps, and this is a tie. We are going to put the tie in the hot gun. When it's heat up, it will melt. So here we are going to use gas for some making some metals to hot or use. Just pieces of metal. It will be better if you have small, and after it's well heat up, put them on the broken portions and that will stick them together and it will be strong. That's why I'm using this technique for all the broken pieces.
This one, so there will shoot something like an L. This is an L. You can see that it is properly fitted there. Okay, so this portion is also stick together. Now you can see that this is more like it's been done. So this is the biggest portion, which is terra power. So now we have to join this. For this, first we have to assemble it properly. You can see that, and this is it. Metal, this one. Press it properly. Okay, that's good. Just okay, this is also done.
After heating up the metals and jointing them to the back of this, we have this thing. Now there's a lot of work. We have to fill all these gaps, and this one a new tech. This is a tie. We have put the tie into this. Now we are just going to power it on, then this will do its job. Now it's almost get it heat up, so we are going to fill it up. The glue, it's almost fixed, it's done. Now to make it smooth. Now we are just making the surface smooth, and we are using a hot metal to make it smooth, just removing the gaps. We have filled it from the back. On the front side we are just rubbing it with a hot metal, then after we will sand it. Our finish piece will come out. So let's see. So we are almost done. Now we have to send it. After sending it, we will get our new one. So after a lot of work sending and XYZ, we have a little bit crack seeing on the surface, but we are now look like that it's new one. So our job is done, and now we'll put it on our bike. So see this,